Alright guys, hope you're doing well. As you can see, yet another miserable day here. Everywhere around me is absolutely flooded, a lot of main roads closed and things. We've had crazy snowstorms last night, which has also melted away. It was hailstones, thunder, lightning, and it's still not too good just now. But I just thought I'd give the Nutsack a try today. So the reason I call it Nutsack is it pretty much has been a sack of shit and it's a laser nut. Combine the two, from now on it's called the Nutsack. So obviously I've replaced the front diff on it, and also when I replaced the front diff, what I done off camera was the drive shaft to the front. I can't remember the name of the front gear, the little sort of spiral gear that turns the front diff. The bearing on the shaft side was fine, but the one on the actual inside the diff was a bit crumbled, so I replaced that too. Gave the thing a clean up, so it's a lot cleaner than the last time you've seen it. Not that it's going to stay long in this weather, but I'm hopefully pretty confident it's going to work today quite well. I say confident, as confident as you can be with a Nutsack. So yeah, let's do this. You can see, no slippage sounds there. It's looking good, and that heavier diff grease I've got in the front, hopefully that'll be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do the video talking and driving style. I'm going to do it normal movie style, purely because with this rain and stuff it's going to keep on getting on the camera, so I'm probably just going to get loads of water on the screen. You won't see very much. So what we'll do just now is I'll set my other camera up, get a little riff around, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything will hold up. But I mean, she's sounding good just now, the best it's sounded in a long time, no cogging or anything. Even when I first got it brand new out the box, going at that kind of speed, you could hear a lot of cogging issues, and right now it's seeming pretty nice, to be fair. So touch wood, this will all hold up, and I'll be back at the end of the video, guys, let you get a sort of final verdict on how it's been. Enjoy. Right guys, well, what can I say? The Nutsack's held up really well there. Just going absolutely fantastic, nice and smooth, smoother than it ever did out the factory. Maybe the different bearings I put in, I can't remember what brand they are, but I'd got a couple of sets for TRX4 and they're kind of sort of standard size bearing. I can't remember the actual diameters, but probably about I don't know, guess top of my head, maybe about 15mm wide, maybe a slightly less, but we put a name in, doing the diffs again, getting everything shimmed. It feels really nice and tight and crisp. It's been so fun. That's we had 2 packs of batteries through it. That's the ones here, which I don't think I'll try to zoom in there. These Gens Ace just bashing ones. Honestly, I think these are the best batteries on the market. I've had a lot of different ones. These are probably one of the more expensive ones I've got, but for the size of them, the really short packs, they fit really nice in the UDR and the K8, obviously, and the Lasernut as well. And the runtime off them just seems to be fantastic. And I've got a new set that I've recently bought, and I've got an old set, but every time I take them out, say like the Kraton 8S, when I'm linking them up in series, they're coming out at the exact same voltage. So if one's at 51%, the other one's at 51%, whereas like if I've got Florians and things, there's a little bit of mismatch, so they're not lasting as well as these ones. So I'd really recommend getting them if you want a good battery. I've definitely got approval off me, but hopefully this car will stay going well now. I'm kind of sick of making moaning videos about it. I bought it, one, because I love the look of it. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning to look at. It really is incredible when it's going, so much fun. For being 10 scale with the big 2.2 wheels on it, it goes over everything as good as an 8 scale car. It pretty much, in my mind, it pretty much is 8 scale, to be fair, although it's got 10 scale electronics in it. But yeah, I'm just fingers crossed this will be the final time. I don't like just slating something for no reason. I love the car. I bought it because I really wanted it, obviously, and it's not a good feeling me making moaning videos all the time. So hopefully that'll be it now. Everything else will be fun with this car, but I wouldn't be surprised if something else eventually does go. But it's one of the things, time will tell. I'll just keep cleaning it, maintaining it. Probably change the bearings a bit more regular, or at least check them regular on it to make sure everything's okay, because it is very fragile. Fantastic, but fragile. Suspension wise, big jumps it's done in that. I've never had any issues with anything, breakages or anything. It's just all been gearing and drivetrain related with this car. Wheels and everything as well, I've not had them fall off since I've redone them. Yeah, really want to end this on a positive instead of a negative like I have been recently. The car's fantastic when it's going. I still maintain though, if any guys really want to buy it, which it's a lovely car and I can see why, I would still say wait for a V2 and a noticeable upgrade, because I mean, it's not just me it's been making videos, or even in my comment section you can see loads of other guys have had the exact same bother with the car. And I mean, that's not a good thing for something that's quite expensive like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Really hoping to get to 1,000 subs before the end of the year. So if anybody wants to help me out with that, much appreciated. And as always, everybody else who's subscribed, comments, likes and shares my videos, thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart, really do appreciate it, and every one of you are fantastic. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. With all this bad weather coming recently here, it's just terrible at winter, at dark at night, so I'm only really getting weekends to get a chance to make videos. I think I'm going to do a couple of crawler ones again in the next couple of videos, just with the mud and things. It should be a bit of fun. So I'm either going to do the TRX6 next, or the Element Enduro Sendero, or maybe even both of them. I'll get the two of them up soon. My TRX is currently out of action, just the motor burnt out on it, but to be fair, the motor had actually done quite well this time on it for a while. So I've got a different brand, I can't remember what it is, coming, I think it's coming from China, but we'll show you the motor when I do the install on that, when I get the TRX back out. But yeah, thanks again guys, have a nice weekend, stay safe everybody, and Big Papa Paul RC, I'll be out again with more videos. Bye.